Mom! Anytime I wake up, I want to be served breakfast in bed with fresh clothes picked for me. I also want a hot shower already running for me to take a bath. That's really important to me. And finally, I want you to charge my phone when I'm asleep because I don't want to wake up with low battery. Do you understand me? Can you believe that's what my friend told his mom yesterday? People are crazy.
Oh, you're talking about your friend.
Yeah.
You should probably start with that next time, 'cause you almost died.
Oh, great heavens!